Hello, Merry Christmas! So this is about the 6th time I've started this voiceover. I'm really not doing very well tonight and I'm very tired. So please bear with me. Today I am doing my artsy version of Jack Frost. I wanted to avoid the traditional depictions of Jack and just do something a little bit weird and artsy, and yeah. Anyway, I hope you like it and I hope you enjoy watching how I did it. Now, first of all, I painted my face white, which is pretty self-explanatory really. And then here you see me gluing on some foam pieces with some skin adhesive. So I just made these pieces with craft foam and I held them very carefully over a candle just to give this sort of crinkled effect, because foam responds very well to heat and you can mold it and make all sorts of nice shapes. It's what cosplayers use. So I'm just sticking those pieces on with some skin adhesive, like I said, and these are basically my artsy version of shards of ice. I then use some good old latex and cotton wool just to hide the edges of those pieces and provide some much needed texture and interest to the look. And that side-eye dog picture makes me laugh every time I see it online. Anyway, I'm not going to talk too much over this bit because it's all pretty self-explanatory, so I'll leave you to listen to the creepy Christmas music. Now, I said I wasn't going to interject, but I just wanted to say this tutorial was meant to be up about a week ago, but let's just say I've had some health issues the last week or so, resulting in a very scary visit to the hospital and a lot of very scary tests. I'm okay now, I'm out of the woods. But it's been a traumatic few days and I'm only just getting around to finishing everything on my to-do list, including getting this tutorial up for you all. So apologies that it's late, but I hope you all enjoy it anyway. So here I'm just putting some latex over certain areas of my face to simulate frostbite. So I just put a couple of layers of latex and I'm just rubbing it to make it look like sort of distressed and burnt skin. And then once I was happy with those frostbite areas, I added some more white paint just to blend those bits of cotton wool and those foam pieces into my face a bit better. So I've just noticed I've spelled shady wrong. I'm very tired, as I said, so please excuse that spelling error there. So here you just see me painting in the areas of frostbite with some pinks and browns and black eyeshadow, and then just shading around my eyes as well. Side-eye dog incoming again. So yeah, I'm just doing some shading just to blend things and start to bring the look together. So I will quit chatting and just leave you to watch for a few moments. Yeah, I always seem to pull a face that looks like a fish when I'm doing anything around my eyes. I don't really know why. Artsy look like this, basically it's just a case of shading and applying colours until you're happy with it. There's no rules really, it's just a case of just going at it and using your creativity and seeing where it takes you, and that's what I did with this look. kind of what I'm doing with this voiceover as well, to be honest. Then I decided I need some more depth around my eyes, so I just went in with some liquid liner. And finally, for some finishing touches, I added some more black, and I just wanted to create a little bit more sort of texture and interest around those ice shards coming out of my face. And then just for a final touch, I added some silvery glitter. So it's sort of like a glitter paste almost, and that gave a nice sparkle like you would see on snow or ice. And then I also added a little bit of fake snow, which is just glued on with the same skin adhesive that I glued the ice shards on with. And that's really about it. Now, can I just apologise for the shite voiceover? I'm really tired, and I've only got tonight to do this. I had to wait until my little girl had gone to bed. So, you know, mommy problems and all of that. So I'm really tired. Like I said, this is my last evening to get this done before I need to get it up on YouTube. So I kind of didn't have time to script and do everything like I normally would. So apologies, but I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial anyway. I hope you're all ready for Christmas. Sending you all lots and lots of love and everything at this time of the year. I know it's hard for some people this time of the year. I know it's not all kind of celebrations and drinking champagne and glitter and stardust and presents. For some people this is a really tough time of the year, so sending massive hugs to those of you who feel that way, and hope that the rest of you are having a lovely time. And then I'm just going to leave you to watch the rest of the stuff. We are done. All that remains for me to say is thank you so much for watching. Thank you for those of you who support my channel and watch my content, whether you're new here or whether you've been watching me for a while. I really appreciate it. The special effects genre has been really struggling on YouTube, so yeah, I appreciate any support. Please like and comment and just tell me what you're doing for Christmas. Love you all. Bye bye.